Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winn and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how I prep my Kittilay, my bitterball, and my pepper for winter. So if you want to see how I do this, stay tuned and keep watching. So usually during the summer, they have all the farmers market open and they have the garden eggs, the fresh habanero pepper, and most of the food stuff you can think of. So during the summer, I go to the farmer market, get me some fresh garden eggs, and I also get me some habanero pepper, which I prep and store for the winter because winter time there is no farmer markets, and I feel like winter time that's when the African food price goes up because there's no farmer market and the African food store is the only place you can find the food or your African food. So what I recommend or what I usually do is get me my African food stuff during the summer, prep them and store them in my deep freezer for the winter. So in here I have my garden eggs slash bitterball. I already went ahead and picked the little stem off, and I'm just gonna wash them, add them to the pot and steam them. So you want to steam your garden eggs before deep freezing them. If you leave it like this and deep freeze it, the color gonna change. This is how it's gonna look, like the color gonna be like this. So in order to steam your bitterball, your garden eggs, you really don't need to add a lot of water. Sometimes the water from the garden eggs after washing it is enough for you to steam the bitterball with. But if you don't have enough water in it, you can always add just a little bit of water and steam it with that. You don't need a lot of water. You literally just steaming it for like 5 to 10 minutes. You're not cooking it all the way through, okay? So I'm gonna wash this, cut it into half, and then take it to the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera, and once I'm done I will show you guys the next step, okay? Alright y'all, so I'm done washing my garden eggs and I cut them into halves. So if you look under this like water sitting here, I didn't add any water. This is the water from the garden eggs or from the bitterball after I washed them. So what I'll do is just add a little more, half cup of water. So I'm gonna add half cup of water to this, and I'll just take this to the stove and steam it. So you don't want to add too much water. You don't need to add no seasoning. This is just you steaming your garden eggs and saving it for winter, okay? So once you're ready to cook it, you take a bag out, add it to your pot and cook it. I'm gonna be steaming this for 5 to 10 minutes, not longer, because I'm not cooking it. I don't want it completely soft. I just want it to steam just a little bit. Okay guys, so I have my garden eggs on the stove, and I'm just gonna let it steam for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So I will cover this and just let it steam. If you don't have a deep freezer in your house, guys, you need to invest in one because that is the go-to. Almost every African that I know, or every Liberian that I know, has a deep freezer in their house. And this is why they have a deep freezer, because they store their African food in their deep freezer for the winter. Once you have your African food all prepped and stored in your deep freezer, whether it's snowing outside or it's raining or it's sunny outside, you don't need to get out all the time to go to the store and purchase this. But yeah guys, I'm gonna let this do its thing. I was in Minnesota the other day and I went crazy on the habanero pepper and the garden eggs. So see, in the suitcase, I went to the farmer market out there, got me some habanero pepper and some Kittilay. A girl gotta stock up, okay? I need to stock up on food because I hate the cold, I hate driving in winter, and I'm not trying to be getting out all the time to go to the African store and be paying more money for food that I could have gotten during the summer and save up on. But here I have my habanero pepper. I already picked the stem, so this is the little stem. I already got rid of these. I'm gonna go ahead and prep this, put it in my Ziploc bag just like these, and put it in my deep freezer. For the pepper, you really don't need to steam the pepper before freezing them. If you want to, you can go ahead and do that, but it's not really necessary, okay? The color ain't gonna change, so you really don't have to. So yes guys, this is my winter preparation for my African food. Later I'm gonna get me some potato grains, slice them and freeze it too. So once I put the pepper in here, sip it all the way. So I have these here. I'm gonna take them to my freezer. Now I'll just show you guys how I do my pepper. So I just grab the pepper. You can pick this off before freezing it, or you can leave it on. If you don't have the time to pick it, you can leave it on. And just put it in a Ziploc bag like this. Alright y'all, so this is my pepper. I have it all bagged up. I'm gonna take this to the freezer and freeze it. This is my deep freezer, guys. So this is the size. I think this is 10 inches. I'm not really sure, I forgot, but this is the size of it. And this is the brand that I got. You can get any brand. I already went ahead and cleaned it because I know that I was going to be prepping for winter. Like I said, I don't know what African or Liberian house you're going to go to and not see deep freezer, because yo, we love to stock up on our food and we love to have our deep freezer to save our food in it. I have my habanero pepper, and once my garden eggs is ready, I'm going to be putting it on the other side. So I just like to kind of move them around so the underpart don't stain more than the top of it. So I'm gonna just let it continue. Okay, so this is ready. So I'm just gonna turn the stove off, let this cool, and once it's all cool, I'll bag it and take it to the freezer. I'm gonna just spread it so it can cool, like the heat can come out faster. This is similar to the African store be doing, guys. So for the kit today, you want to get your kit today in a big pan and just pick it like this. And this is how you want to pick it. Here, this is called Pete's Garden Egg. In Liberia, it's called Kittilay. And the Kittilay tabagi we'll be making, this is how the Kittilay look before steaming. This is the fresh Kittilay, but now it's turning red because it's been sitting out for too long. But usually when you get it from the farmer's market, it's green. If you see it turning red, I don't mean it's bad. It's still good. Like you see, this one is red. It's still good. You can still use it, okay? With this, you're gonna need help. You're gonna need all the help you can get, because this is time consuming. You literally gonna spend all day doing this. So gather all the kids in the house, or all your friends and family, everyone you can get your hands on to help you with this. So this, you're gonna be prepping in the same way you will prep your bitterball or your garden eggs. Like the way I show you guys how to prep the bitterball at first, it's the same step you're gonna follow. So you want to pick this off the stem, like what I'm doing right now. Wash it, steam it, cool it, bag it, and freeze it. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. Once you're ready to cook, grab a bag and just put it in your pot, add your meats, your seasoning, and then make you some kittilay tabagi or whatever soup you're gonna be making. You can also add this in pepper soup if you're making pepper soup. So that's one way you can pick it. You can pick it with your hand, or you can pick it with the knife. See? Just like that. Whichever way is faster for you, use that way. You literally putting the knife on the little thing here and just lift it up. There. So this is all you're gonna be doing, guys. So you're done picking all of it. Alright y'all, so this is how much I've picked so far, and I have the rest of them in here, which probably gonna take me 2 to 3 days to finish. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera, and once I'm done, I'll show you guys the next step. So my garden eggs is all cool. Now I'll go ahead and add it to my Ziploc bag and store it in my freezer. But this is how it looks once it's all steamed and ready. You can make red or bitterball with this. You can make a chippy soup with this bitterball. You can add it to your kittilay and your bitterball and make your tabagi. However you want to use it, you can use it just like this. So guys, this is it. Like, once you have it here, you just zip it up And you just want to take the air out, okay? So yeah guys, this is my garden eggs, or steamed and ready for the winter. Alright guys, so this is the kit today after picking. This is how it looks, okay? So I'm gonna take this to the sink and wash it. So guys, you can either fill the sink with water and put this in and wash it like that, or you can have the water running and be washing it like the way I'm doing it. Okay guys, so I'm done washing my kit today, and I'm gonna take it to the stove now. So I'm not gonna be adding extra water on it because there's already water on it from washing it, okay? Alright guys, so this is the kit today after steaming. I let it cool down. So once you steam the kit today, this is how it's gonna look. I didn't fully cook it, okay? I just steam it. This has cooled. I'm gonna bag it and then store it in my freezer. You can make dry rice with your kit today. You can make kit today sauce with this. I'm gonna make a video on how to make kit today sauce for your dry rice and store it in your fridge. You can also use this to make a kit today tteokbokki as well. Alright guys, so this is my kit today. It's all done. I'm gonna take these to the freezer and freeze it for winter. So guys, that's how you prep your kit today for winter, and that's how you prep your bitterball for winter. So for your bitterball, you follow in the same step. I have my habanero pepper and I have my garden eggs in here. And now I'm just gonna be adding in my kit today. Alright y'all, so this is how I prep for winter. My pepper is here, my kit today is here, my garden eggs is right here. I'm just waiting for my bitterball to come, and then I'll be prepping that the same way I prep my kit today and my bitterball. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope someone out there found this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family. Check out my other YouTube channel. It's called All Things Winn. Subscribe, like, and share as well. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.